am. We compete. All right, we are headed out. We're gonna go up to Helen, explore Helen a little bit, just a little bit today. But I still do have quite of a ride with me on the highway, because you know what I'm saying, it's all the way the heck up there. So we gotta get some highway miles in. I'm gonna play some music, and then we're gonna get back to you once we arrive in Helen. So we'll see you there. We have made it out to Cleveland. Just gassed up. Got the GPS marked for Helen. Gonna go out here and have some fun for a little bit. And then we're gonna do what we do. Yes, sir. Yeah. Sound check. Gonna just drop out. Hello, Subaru. Turn the blinker off so you don't sit here and look like a doofus. Even though probably look like a doofus without the blinker on. But hey, you know what? It's okay. Or do I look fly? I don't know, because I've never seen myself in a third person. Sitting on the motorcycle anyways, I've seen myself in the mirror, okay, but I've never seen myself just sitting on the bike looking real awesome. Well, in my brain I look awesome. I think in everybody's brain everybody looks awesome. I think that's kind of general. When I'm up here, I always get like this cool old town type of vibe going on, and it's like it feels so good to be up here. Not just because like it's nice and cool right now. I wish you guys can feel the wind. I mean, like, it's nice and cool right now. It feels so good. But yeah, I always get kind of a cool vibe from being up here and seeing like all the old buildings. Going through this. Oh. I'm like squirrel up here, fam. I'm gonna have to pay attention, dude. I'm gonna be like, ooh, 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 squirrel, 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 squirrel. Pretty much, this is it. Hello, little town. You little sleepy town of Helen. Hello, sleepy town of Helen. Yep, this town's not even awake yet. Just so you guys get kind of a standing on your bike bird's view, eyeball view. This is kind of the main road. I know that there's tons of stuff just kind of filtered out through here, but like I said, it's still early in the morning. They're not even open yet. Pretty sure they're not gonna open until like 9 or 10. Pretty sure. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna peel off. That way I can find some stuff. Yeah, I'm good, fam. I'm good. So as you can see, Helen is like this. It's like these little itty bitty spots like this that, I mean, it's just really, really cool to come around in and just, you know what I'm saying? Put in, do your thing, then get gone. Let's go down this road here. See? Stuff like this. I mean, just check it, fam. I mean, isn't that just like cool? I mean, like I said, that's why I kind of love these little spots like this. It's just cool to come around here. Like I said, ain't nobody here, so you can take your time. You can relax and just ride around. Ooh, I smell sugar. That's right, fam. I am a sugar bunny. Am I allowed to? Is it okay? Am I? Oh, sugar bunny? I don't know. I like sugar. I like sugar. Oh, looks like these are hotels. A little village inn. Nice. So I don't know if these are like people's houses on this side. It looks like it might be, or if people rent here and they, you know, like this right here. See, these are condos. Hello, Big Daddy. Jump it? Nah. I got to take care of this bike because you guys know I got the trip coming up, so I have to take care of this bike. I can't be doing nothing stupid with it. I can't go off road with it. I can't be jumping speed bumps. Because I think that would totally mess up my bike. Bend the frame. I mean, this is really cool. Like, I love this little back road here. Honestly, it's been such a long time since I came over here, though, that this is all kind of like new to me. It feels new to me. But like I said, I'm glad that I'm here early because, like I said, as you can see, there's nobody here, and so you have the opportunity to really just kind of take your time and just relax and not have to stress about, oh my God, there's 19 people stacked behind me. What am I gonna do, fam? So yeah, I mean, it's really cool coming in through here. Alright, now where are we at? I think I'm gonna bust a right. Yeah, I'll bust a right. Boink, boink. Back to the main road. Hello, Mr. Motorcycle, I see you. So I'm just gonna go find a spot real quick and get my GPS on, and then we can go from there. Look at what I found. Why'd you come out and play? That is a 2022 SP sitting up here in Helen. Are you kidding me? Told y'all I found some. Alright fam, we appreciate you guys coming along. That's going to do it for today's video. If this was your first time viewing this video or any of my videos, hit that sub button, hit the like, hit the share. Let's get this out here to everybody. Let's get out and enjoy the bikes. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.